ഇന്ന് മേടമാസം 1 ഈ വിഷുദിനത്തിൽ എൻ്റെയും എൻ്റെ കുടുംബത്തിൻ്റെയും വക എല്ലാ മാന്യ പ്രേക്ഷകർക്കും എൻ്റെ സുഹൃത്തുക്കൾക്കും വിഷുദിനാശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. So friends, I first of all welcome you all to this Vishu episode. It's an auspicious day in Kerala. So first of all, let me wish you all a very prosperous Vishu. So in this episode, we'll see about this beautiful flower. So basically Vishu is a harvest festival which is celebrated on the first month of the astrological month Medam in Malayalam. It's similar to Aries in English. So it's actually just a new year for the astronomical calendar. Friends, some of you might already know this. Kanikonna or Cassia is the state flower of Kerala, and this is because we can find a lot of Cassias in Kerala, and it also is highly integrated into the culture because of Vishu. So friends, on Vishu day, this Cassia flower or Kanikonna as it is known in Malayalam is very auspicious and very close to our heart. It's used for its golden yellow color which symbolizes prosperity. So Cassia or Kanikonna is formed on huge trees that grow several feet or meters high, and it generally flowers during this month, that is March, April, May, and it's very popular during this festival. It belongs to the legume family which is Fabaceae, and we can also see long seed pods that form on the tree after the flowering season. It's a very beautiful and attractive tree during the season when it flowers. So during these months, the tree loses most of its leaf and starts flowering. The flowers hang from the tree like a pendant. It's actually not a single flower, it's an inflorescence. A lot of flowers combine to form this bunch. In English, it's also commonly called as golden shower tree. It's so rightfully named because in the season, the tree completely becomes golden in color. And whenever you try to visit the tropics, try to see this flower in full bloom. In my childhood days, whenever I see cassias in bloom, whenever I go through the city or somewhere, I instantly get memories of Vishu and all the fond memories that I share with my family. So it's very close to most Malayalis' heart. So guys, this is a gardening channel after all, so I thought this is the best day to introduce Kanikonna to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, I'm wishing you guys a prosperous Vishu. Until next time, it's Nirmal signing off.